Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can remove the page title in Shopify. Also, as a bonus, I will tell you how you can remove the policy page title as well. So this is the one of the most demanding video by the store owners because they don't like the page title, the text title. Actually, the text title of the page, they just want to show the custom sections or any sections that represent their brand. They don't want something ugly like the page title. Although I would say that it is bad for SEO. Or for the SEO, you should have an H1, so that it is so that that specific page appears in the search engine or Google ranking. But if you don't, if you are not concerned about that ranking, and you want to remove the page title and just want to show the custom sections, this tutorial is for you. In the start, I will show you the traditional method on how you the normally people do, and then I will show you my own code, which will help you to automate the process, and you don't have to go manually into each page to remove the title. So just click on customize. Okay, and then I will show you the traditional method that you all know. For example, if you click on about, let me open any page and make sure that the page is actually open. Currently the page is open or not, let's see. Yes, the page is open. So the traditional method is you have to just disable the eye and the page title will be removed. In the same way, you have to open each page and then remove the title in this way. But this is not something we I would recommend, because if you have like 40 pages, 50 pages, you will not be willing to go into the each page and then remove the title from there. You have to automate the process, and this is recommended. Also, the code that I will show you will work on the policies page as well. So this is the code, very simple code, and I will leave the link to this code in the description of this video. You just have to go into the theme settings, and then you have to click on custom CSS, and there is already some code there, so we will write our code there, just below it, and then we will make sure to just save the theme customization. So as you can see on the about us page, we don't have to do the manual steps. It is the page title has been removed, and if we open any page, there will be no page title, and this code works perfectly for the policies pages as well, because this was an issue that the code doesn't work on the policy page. So if I open like refund policy, you will see that it works on that page as well. And as you can see, so I believe the code has some issue, so let's fix that issue in this video. I will not make another part of this video. Pause the video for like a minute and the issue is resolved. I have found the issue, so you don't make that issue. I will address this issue in this video. So I didn't add the dot sign with the Shopify policy title. This was a class name and you have to add the dot. So for example, if you face some issues that the code is not working, the CSS is not working, make sure that you add the dot with the class name and the hashtag with the ID. So currently it is working fine, there is no issue, and I have updated the code. So when you click on the link in the description, you will find the updated code. So it's working fine. If I open any page, for example any like if I open shopping policy page, and as you can see, the title is gone. There is no title for the policy page. There is no title for any page, policy page or any Shopify page you want. It will not display the title. As you can see, it's working really fine. There is no issue at all, and this is the latest code. Just to again refresh. So I've also resolved the issue in this tutorial, and this is the updated one. And make sure to click on save so that the changes are implemented in the live theme as well. So for example, this is the terms of service page, and let's see if it is working fine or not. And as you can see, the title has been removed. So I hope the things are clear, and let me know if there is an issue with the code, and I will make sure to be very responsive in the comments. Thank you very much.